Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, happy Holi for all of you. So I just want to wish you guys a happy Holi. I know you will be playing full of colors and sweets and etc. So today I thought in Holi it's a very essential to take care of your skin because we will be playing in a lot of colors, lot of chemicals I can say, sun, and we will have sunburn and also stuff like that. So taking care of skin is very essential during this Holi season. So I thought I'll talk about a particular product which I am using from past 1 month and I am seeing a great difference, which doesn't have any side effect on the skin, which is Ayurvedic and it's doing wonders on your skin. That's what I can say. So let's get started for today's video. Before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. That will mean a lot for me to create more and more videos like this. So before starting about what I'm talking today, let's give a little bit of background why I choose this product basically. So if you see my previous videos, my skin was very clear last year, but recently I used one of the product which I don't want to mention, which made me to break out very badly, especially around the chin area, and here you can see the scars still. So I thought that this is the time I need to repair my skin and that dark spot should go on. So that's where I came about this product. What I'm talking about is this Lodahari skin repair face pack. So I just came about this product. It claims like it's for skin detox, detan, pimples, blemishes, for hyperpigmentation and skin repair. So my aim was to repair my skin, and also I had that dark spots that I need to vanish. So I went with this product. For the dry skin, they claim using this with a milk. So what I did is I used this product with milk and honey. That works best for me. So if you have a oily skin, you can use the rose water to mix up the face pack, and if you have a very sensitive skin, you can use the aloe vera gel as well. So it does wonders on the skin. So what I suggest is just take a test and use it on the neck area or somewhere, because it's Ayurveda. You may feel a little bit of itchiness when you use startingly. I also felt it. When you apply, you may feel like irritation. That is because it has a Ayurveda products. Everything is Ayurveda, no chemical in it, and it reacts to your skin, and that's where it detoxifies your skin. So you may feel a little bit of irritation. That's fine. Use a tester and directly apply on your skin, and you can see the wonders. And if you have a very high pigmentation, you can use every alternate days for 1 or 2 months, and you can have the results seen by yourself. But I used it once in a week because I had a very minimal pigmentation problem. So I just used it once in a week, and I can see the results in just 4 uses, that is 1 month. So I'll just show you how I used it. Before that, let me share the product, what it claims. So this is the Lodahari skin repair face mask. It's for skin detox, detan, pimple, blemishes, for hyperpigmentation and skin repair. The direction for use is take sufficient quantity of the face mask with aloe vera juice, as I told you, or milk or water or even rose water. Make a fine paste. Apply a thick layer of the face pack over the face and neck. Leave it for 80% pack to dry up and wash it with the water. So the ingredient what they have using is each 10 gram, that is around 1 spoon what we use. It contains oh my god, how difficult it is to produce. It's all in Ayurveda words I can say. So coriander, sinofris, oh my god, it's I can't spell. Just see the description box. I'll just post the ingredients over there, and it's against the animal testing. It's a paraben free, and it contains all natural products. So that's about the product. So let's quickly start, and I'll show you how exactly I use this product on my skin. So let's see how to prepare the face mask. For that, in a bowl I have taken honey, around 1 tablespoon of honey. As I told, I have a dry skin with the pigmentation and a pimples problem, so I am using this face mask using honey. So for this, I'll be adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk and our face pack powder. So let's get started. So for the bowl, I already have around half tablespoon of honey. For this, I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of face mask. This could be sufficient for my face and neck. If you want more, you can mix it as well. For this, I'll be adding around half a tablespoon of milk. We'll see the consistency of the face mask, and then we'll add more milk if it is required, but I think that could be fine enough. So we'll give it a very good mix to make a nice paste. So my face mask is ready. You can see the consistency. It's fine for me. If you want more liquidy, you can add a little bit of more milk, but I feel this is a perfect consistency, and you can see the face mask. It's in a goldeny brown color. It's looking superb. So let's apply onto our face now. Face mask, you can see glossiness because I have applied with the honey. So let it sit for 15 minutes. So we should not let it dry for completely. It should dry for 80 minutes, 80%, and then we need to wipe off. Before wiping off, I prefer massage it a little while, and I'll be washing off with warm water. So let it sit, and I'll just show you the final result. I'll be shooting in a direct light. I won't be using any flash or something like the direct sunlight, and I'll show you how exactly my skin. So guys, I just washed the face mask. This is how my skin looks right now, and it will make your skin little dry, I can say. So after washing the face mask, just applied some moisturizer, and you will see the difference in the skin. So I have just using this face mask once in a week for 3 to 4 weeks now. So I have used for 3 to 4 times, I can say, and I can see the difference. You can see the pigmentation right over here. It was like till here, and it has almost clearing up everything. It doesn't work for dark circles. Let me make it very clear. It doesn't work for dark circles. It reduces your hyperpigmentation. It may reduce your acne, pimples. It will make your skin clear from the sunburns, and it's a wonderful face mask. It's an Ayurvedic face mask, and it doesn't have any side effects. So hope this video was helpful for you guys. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and also share this video with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Comment below what type of videos you want to see. I'll be very happy to create those type of videos for you guys. So see you in my next video. Bye.